At Vantage Career Center, passion meets purpose. Students turn hands-on learning into real careers, real skills, and a future that starts now. But don't just take it from us. Hear directly from one of our students.
Hello, I'm Kara Pierce. I'm in Culinary Arts at Vantage Career Center, and I go to Antwerp Local Schools. I chose Vantage Career Center because I would like to own my own restaurant when I get older, and having an understanding of the kitchen would be great to know how the chef works in the kitchen and have an understanding of what they do. So in junior year of Culinary Arts, you get your certifications. You get your OSHA, you get your first aid, you get CPR, you take 2 web exams, and you get your ServSafe. Vantage Career Center runs 3 different businesses ran by students. One of them is the Cup and Saucer that is completely ran by the students with help from the lab teacher and assistant. We get to be up front and learn busing, cashier, waitressing, and you also have to learn how to properly waitress, because there is a way how to properly do that, and how to properly be able to take the food away and get all of that stuff done.
Your future starts here. Learn more about this program and many others at VantageCareerCenter.com.